Hey guys, and welcome to the Working Money channel. So just wanted to bring this to your attention in case you guys are participating in the Evernote airdrop. Okay, warning, if you get a DM asking if you've joined the snapshot, block and report it. It is a scam. So scammers, guys, are also targeting Evernote airdrop participants here. Evernote XRPL is the only true account, and they will not DM you. So apparently there was some type of hacker scammer here posting this from Evernote Live. So this is a fake account, guys. Hello, did you join the snapshot and receive your Evernote airdrop? Block these people. If you are participating, I know people are feeling vulnerable right now. Always want to urge you guys, keep your cryptocurrency safe. I know the airdrop, sometimes you need to move your crypto over to somewhere else to claim your airdrop or whatever, but I just want to urge you guys, keep your crypto safe. Make sure, once you've done the airdrop, once the snapshot is done, keep your cryptocurrency, especially if you have a lot of it. Keep it on a Ledger Nano or something similar. Cold wallet storage solution. I know the other day I was talking about the Ruby Red and how they were giving a discount. Well, guys, this discount is done. I know they said they were going to go on until December the 23rd or while supplies lasted. Well, this is now all sold out. So you can no longer get this discount, but there are still a lot of great products over there at ledger.com. I do have an affiliate link in the description. You can use my affiliate link if you want, if you're looking to purchase a cold wallet storage solution. You don't have to use my affiliate link though, and you don't even have to use the Ledger. I'm just putting this out there to warn you guys. I do this every so often because these types of things do happen, and it's better to be safe than sorry. Anyway, wanted to thank onledger.net for posting that. XRPnews.crypto here posting this. Okay, apparently Ripple has revamped their San Francisco office. And what should we extrapolate from that? That they're not looking to exit the US? Makes sense. Ripple is poised to continue operating in the United States as the blockchain company opens its new corporate headquarters in San Francisco. Crypto payments company Ripple has finally opened its new office in San Francisco. The development was shared yesterday in a tweet by David Schwartz. And here's the David Schwartz tweet. Today is the first day for Ripple's new SF global headquarters. And guys, check out some of the photos here. Just show you guys, scroll through some of these to show you guys some of the developments, I guess, some of the new improvements for the office. So boardrooms is just looking like empty spaces here. You guys can see the logo back there. So Ripple has in fact revamped their office, so much so that now they have an XRpresso cafe here. The best part of the new Ripple office is the name of the cafe. This coming from one of the senior software engineers and a Ripple dev. So XRpresso sounds fun, and I definitely would go there and buy a coffee if I were in San Francisco. So thought that was kind of cool. Wanted to thank David Schwartz over there and XRPnews.crypto just for bringing that to our attention. More developments too on the XRP ledger, guys. Vin did just recently post this with Zaman, formerly the Sum app 2.6 nearing completion. Who can guess what the major feature of the next 2.7 version will be? So having a little bit of fun here on Twitter, posting a poll. Zaman 2.6 was great, but what will 2.7 ship? So auto support any amendments, any XRPL Network Plus feature, or no update to all amendments. And there's 7 hours left if you guys want to participate in this. I will link this in the description of the video. Me personally, I'm not following the amendments too closely, to be honest with you. The technology, it is great. I am happy that there are devs working night and day on developing on the XRP ledger because that's where we're going to see our value. But for me, and probably for a lot of you guys, it's about the XRP price. So with more value, we're going to see more value driven to the XRP ledger. And of course, that will mean more demand for XRP price. Fundamentals of supply and demand do factor in there, and XRP price will rally, but little bits at a time. He's asking, though, what are we going to see for 2.7? And this is a community poll. So I have no idea. I have no idea what to even pick here. Auto support. Okay, sure. Auto support. No. I guess the answer is any XRPL network and feature at 71.5%. So that is what, generally by and large, the community is suggesting or hoping they're going to see here. But anyway, wanted to thank Vin just for letting us in on that little tidbit of information. Because we are seeing more XRP clarity, I guess, we're probably seeing more development on the XRPL that will be US focused. But also, guys, we are seeing more crypto exchanges listing XRP. And this is going to be good for our on and off ramp situation. XRP officially listed by blockchain.com, one of the oldest and most popular crypto exchanges and storage platforms, they have just added XRP. This one courtesy of Ian Binns on Twitter. So this was just posted yesterday too. And I remember hearing murmurings that they were going to relist it, but no real official announcement. Well, the announcement follows a trend of growing acceptance for XRP on the crypto market, especially since the landmark July 13th ruling by Judge Annalisa Torres. Blockchain.com, a key infrastructure pioneer in the Bitcoin community since its establishment in 2011, boasts an impressive track record. According to CoinMarketCap, the platform has facilitated over $1 trillion in crypto transactions. And now, guys, they are saying, FYI, Ripple XRP is now live. So they have now relisted XRP as of yesterday, December the 11th, 2023. The decision to list XRP on blockchain.com aligns with the cryptocurrency's resurgence in 2023, following the legal clarity provided by the July 2023 ruling. So that is big, guys. We've got it now on blockchain.com, and I have a feeling that that is available for U.S. citizens. I do not personally use blockchain.com, so I do not know. But if you guys do have an account there, please do let me know in the comments section. More on and off ramps, guys, is going to mean that more people are just going to be trading XRP in this bull run. I mean, right now it's trading at 62 cents. And although fear and greed has diminished by a bit, yesterday was at 80, now it's at 74. We are seeing XRP in the top 10, number 5, number 4 technically, if you remove Tether's USDT. So, the crypto visibility when people go to CoinMarketCap to trade, especially when that FOMO kicks in, when we get that exit liquidity, those last minute traders, the ones that have not learned the lesson yet, when we see those guys in the market, they're going to just take a glance and, whatever cryptocurrency these exchanges offer, the chances are they're going to buy them up. So, if they see Ethereum on the exchange, even if they know nothing about it, and they see it's number 2 here under Bitcoin, and it's available on an exchange, people will buy Ethereum. Same goes with BNB, same goes with XRP, and that's what the problem was last time around. Because so many cryptocurrency exchanges delisted XRP, we did not get up past that all-time high. That's my theory. I feel like because of the mass delistings, we just could not get the price to go much above $2 last time around. But guys, this time it's going to be different. We are going to see more on and off ramps, and that is going to help boost the price of XRP, in my opinion, hopefully above all-time high. So Wheezy here also mentioning this update with regards to the German central bank. They just reported this a few days ago. They highlighted Ripple and XRP. German central bank report highlights Ripple and XRP, courtesy of the Wrath of Kahneman. A Deutsche Bank Bundesbank report mentions Ripple and XRP as innovations in the payment landscape for service providers. So here we're seeing a big bank, central bank, talking about DLT specifically. Notice the bilateral credit relationship with addition for XRP use. Notes the SEC, volatility, etc. Interesting, they also note counterparty risk, which isn't the case with XRP. So one example of a purely private project conducted by a payment service provider in Visa's B2B Connect, which is testing a DLT-based payment platform for cross-border interbank payments. The platform is intended to connect banks worldwide, thus preventing the formation of long corresponding banking chains. So they note Visa's connection too with the B2B Connect and that partnership with Ripple. In principle, such platforms could be used not only to transmit payment messages, but also to directly integrate digital forms of money. Another example, guys, is Ripple, a DLT-based network that connects payment service providers with each other and forms a basis for this infrastructure alongside recourse to bilateral credit relationships. Transactions in the Ripple network can also be processed using the network internal Ripple crypto token XRP. So, Bank of Germany, the central bank of Germany here, Deutsche Bank Bundesbank. I don't know how to pronounce that, but I'm trying my best here. They have highlighted XRP in this most recent report, and the Wrath of Kahneman does link the report here. If you guys are interested, I will link this page in the description, and you guys can get to it from there. So wanted to thank Wrath of Kahneman and Wheezy at Nerd Nation Unboxed just for mentioning that. Lots of great news today, guys. We also just found out about this brand new Ripple partnership with Aramco tracking. So Wrath of Kahneman bringing this to my attention. Ripple investor and partner SBI has entered an MOU with Saudi Arabia's Aramco to collaborate on digital assets and co-investments, expand Japanese startups into the digital asset field in Saudi Arabia, invest in the semiconductor field, which is very interesting, and Wrath of Kahneman commenting on the same. This raises interesting possibilities surrounding tokenization of assets, including petrochemicals. So if you guys don't know what Aramco is, I'm going to get to that in a second. So he says, including petrochem for the Osaka exchange opening. Might the XRPL be involved at some level? Well, we don't know, but it sounds like it could be because, well, as Wrath Economy notes here, and I will get into in a second, green carbon credits. So let's look into this, okay? SBI explores digital asset investment collaboration with Aramco. So looking to get into, as I mentioned, digital assets and semiconductors. Additionally, SBI said it plans to set up SBI Middle East in Riyadh as a base for operations in the Middle East. SBI recently announced a $100 million joint fund with Standard Chartered based out of Dubai. SBI and Aramco will look at co-investing each other's digital asset portfolio. In this regard, SBI has a very substantial portfolio, although Aramco should not be underestimated. Additionally, SBI will look at identifying Japanese digital asset startups that want to expand their business in Saudi Arabia. Together, they would provide support. Saudi Aramco is the world's second largest company in terms of revenue with a figure of $604 billion. Yes, you heard that correctly. Second largest company in terms of revenue on planet Earth. Okay, and they're partnering with SBI, which is a significant Ripple investor. It was piped by Walmart, which was $605 billion, so just $1 billion less than Walmart. And tokenization, we're looking at tokenization here. Stepping back, when considering cryptocurrency in the Middle East, Saudi Arabia isn't the first destination one would think of. Turkey is the biggest in terms of activity, and the UAE has at least 3 cryptocurrency regulatory authorities. Dubai's VARA, the Abu Dhabi ADGM, are of highest profile. That said, Saudi crypto activity is only a little behind the UAE, according to Chainalysis. So some points here that I wanted to mention. The Saudi Arabian, the Middle Eastern region, already crypto friendly, but also very Ripple enabled because XRP has been deemed that Sharia compliant cryptocurrency. So for religious reasons, I don't know, but there is Sharia law, and so XRP is crypto compliant with Sharia law. There's also the SBI Holdings connection, of course, and the fact that these guys are looking for digitization, digital assets, and semiconductors, and the fact that these guys are the second largest company on planet Earth. Yes, Aramco, just to reaffirm, Saudi Aramco, officially the Saudi Arabian Oil Group, or simply Aramco, is a state-owned petroleum and natural gas company that is the national oil company of Saudi Arabia. As of 2022, it was the second largest company in the world by revenue and is headquartered in Dhahran. So an interesting kind of snapshot on what could be the next, maybe the next step for Ripple and perhaps another vertical about Aramco. Energy security and more sustainable world. We are the world's largest integrated energy and chemicals company, creating value across hydrocarbon chain and delivering societal and economic benefits to people for communities around the world who rely on vital energy we supply. The vital energy we supply, we are committed to playing a leading role in the energy transition. We have the responsibility to help the world achieve net zero. So, for them, it's going to be about energy and, the tokenization of energy. Of course, they're, looking to be environmentally friendly and that whole carbon zero initiative, right? And now they are partnered with SBI Holdings, which does tout this idea that they want to collaborate specifically for digital assets. SBI Holdings, one of the largest Ripple partners, Yoshitaka Katao, cannot say enough good things about XRP and the XRP ledger. And so, guys, $104 billion in revenue last year in 2022. What are the possibilities? Well, I think it is becoming very, very clear. And even Mike Novogratz, if you guys didn't catch the video I did yesterday, I noticed another little tidbit that I wanted to mention to you guys. I will link yesterday's Mike Novogratz video up here if you guys didn't catch it. Digital asset investor, he's a little skeptical, though. He says this man was not just wrong about XRP, it was intentional. So he's calling him out on his earlier comments. His game is about crafting narratives and counter narratives based on his book. Nothing more, nothing less. Now, this is a clip of Novogratz talking about Luna. And as we know, we kind of know what Luna's fate was, so I don't think I have to go into that, but I will link this in the description of the video if you guys want to watch this video. I don't even know if I agree necessarily with Digital Asset Buy's opinion here. I mean, I don't know. These guys do tend to shift and their narratives tend to sway, I guess, just based on, the sentiment of the day. And, maybe Mike Novogratz did not want to be caught with, supporting XRP. I mean, even though it's not the moral thing to do, supporting XRP during the time of the lawsuit for whatever reasons he had. It's not an upstanding position, and I don't want to judge his character, and I'm just speculating, of course. But here's something that I noticed that was I didn't catch it yesterday, and this is why I wanted to bring it to you guys today. This courtesy of Kashta here on Twitter. The most significant thing this guy says is something I've been saying for some time now. Important note as he says, yes, but it has a use case. But more broadly, guys, it's something else. And yes, he's referring to XRP. This was part of the clip that I showed yesterday, but there's a little part at the end that I wanted to show you guys. Watch this.
The XRP army is real. They care about their ecosystem and their coin. And, you know, yes, it's got a use case, but broadly, the use case is the same as Bitcoin. It's another place for people to want to store value.
Another place for people to want to store value. The same use case as Bitcoin. So now what Mike Novogratz is doing is he's likening XRP to Bitcoin, another avenue for people to store value. I mean, we've never heard of that use case in terms of XRP to store value. We've always usually kind of, thought of it as a coin to transmit value and not necessarily as a gold or a silver, right? So this is interesting. Another interesting now perspective from Mike Novogratz when you consider what he said here at the Milken Institute Summit in Africa. This courtesy of XRP Daily here. And here's a quote from Mike Novogratz. Something is going to be the trust layer that a lot of stuff gets built on that's programmable. Ripple is trying to be the payments rail for all the money that sits in between banking systems. And then he says something a little later on. Let me play you guys a couple of these clips. Listen to this.
That's really unique. There are very few assets in the world that have store of value, just because. Most assets have to be used. I separate cryptocurrencies into Bitcoin, which I think is a finished product, and the rest of cryptocurrencies, which are use cases that are still to be proven. Some are have spectacular possibilities. Something is going to be the trust layer that lots of stuff gets built on, that's programmable. Ripple is trying to be a payment rail for all the money that sits in between the banking system.
So this is what he was saying at the Milken Institute. Did you catch what he said at the beginning here?
That's really unique. There are very few assets in the world that have store of value.
There are very few assets in the world that have store of value. And now, guys, fast forward to December of 2023, Mike Novogratz is saying XRP is one of those assets that has store of value. It now has a dual purpose, I think, in terms of, the application on the XRP ledger, all the use cases, all the value that's going to be transferred through XRP, but also holding it as a store of value. And a store of value means what? Price is going to go up. You put your money in and you watch your investment rise. Is this what Mike Novogratz is pointing to?
And there'll be a new economy built on top of that. My gut feeling is we're not going to know the winner for 3 to 5 years. I'm not positive it's going to be winner take all. The winner is going to be worth a whole lot of money because more and more of the world will get built on top of a trust protocol.
We're not going to know who the winner is for 3 to 5 years, but the winner is going to be worth a whole lot of money. The world will be built on a trust protocol, guys. So Mike Novogratz now changing his tune a little bit, calling Ripple a store of value. Obviously, it's got that dual purpose. The mechanism that we always knew that it was going to be used for to move value. So that is one purpose, but also, guys, a store of value like Bitcoin. And I mean, we're not going to be storing our value in something that doesn't appreciate, are we? That's just my opinion and Mike Novogratz's opinion, but I want to hear what you guys think. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.